Dylan.
Santa!
This is literally
using a forklift.
圣诞节快乐！
This is Dylan with Machina, and we're here at a Christmas tree factory. But they won't be manufacturing the Christmas trees today because they're celebrating Christmas. And they've invited me to come to their Christmas party. They make the trees, but do they know what Christmas is all about? What does Santa ride on for bringing presents to kids around the world?
应该是一匹白马。
是白马。
我不知道。
那是雪鹿吧？驯鹿。
Yeah, that's correct. What is commonly used to top a Christmas tree?
星星，星星，星星，星星
A star.
or F an angel.
Yeah, you're right.
铃铛。
说了，看一下是什么？
星星。
对，是星星。Where is Santa from? A, the South Pole. B, Canada. C, the North Pole. Or D, Harbin?
加拿大吧。加拿大。
美国呀。
美国，对，长白山，我们中国的长白山来的。
北极吧。
That's right, it's the North Pole. In what country do Christmas trees originate from?
我一般人记不到那些。
美国。
不对，是德国。
好吧，确实这方面了解少了。
What do people traditionally place under the Christmas tree?
I hope it's an iPhone, but mostly is a gift.
圣诞老人喜欢吃什么？
巧克力、苹果。
吃披萨。牛奶跟饼干。
对啊，牛奶饼干。What's the approximate number of Christmas trees typically sold in the United States? Around 10,000, approximately 2 million, over 20 million, or close to 50 million?
5000万了，这个我不知道。
Not sure, maybe D.
Actually, only 20 million, but that's still a lot of trees. 圣诞老人给坏小孩什么礼物？ C. 对，对的。再说一遍。What is it that you do at this Christmas tree factory?
My position is in the sales team. 我负责采购。
装柜，装的货柜。
做那个叶子的。
做树叶的，
做纺织的工厂。
我们是业务的。
我是家属。
我会自动啊。
下面请单人上场。
So a little bit about that. We go to many factories and they give us samples, but they're mainly for us. But this year, we're at a Christmas tree factory and we're having them donate many trees to people who are in need of a Christmas tree for next Christmas. We were doing this, we did a quiz, and for every quiz question you got right, a tree is donated. So in total, they are donating 30 Christmas trees. We've partnered with Donna's Christmas Trees, a nonprofit who will make sure that these trees are given to people for next Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh.
圣诞节快乐，天天开心！祝大家圣诞节快乐！
So we've spent an amazing Christmas here at the Christmas Tree Factory. Maybe they don't know all the facts about Christmas. They got some things right, some things wrong. But what they do understand is the feeling of Christmas. They all know that it's about being happy and coming together, and they've shown this here. They really understand that Christmas is about giving. And one thing they've done today is give 30 Christmas trees to families around the world, which is just amazing. So you can be happy knowing that when you get a Christmas tree, it's by people that really understand about it. So I'd just like to say to everybody out there, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And in Chinese, we say 圣诞节快乐. So everybody, thank you for joining us for this amazing year at Machina. And we hope that you'll join us next year. And the best way to do that is by liking and subscribing.